Alright. Lake Powell 2009.
Okay.
It's a windstorm right now.
Carl, make sure you tell everyone you love them in case you don't make it.
What's that?
Make sure you tell everyone.
Mom, Ashley, I love you.
Where's Brian, Kyle? Jackson's life jacket's here.
Who knows where Brian is?
Tony, look.
Check it out. All of it's dust.
Okay. Lake Powell, 2009. We got a storm going on. Yeah. I had to save the boat. Where are you? Right here. Right out there in the water.
I didn't even put that one in.
I didn't want to pollute the Lake Powell and I had to save it. So I went and got it. Then James seen the wind blowing me. So James swam up there and pulled me too. All right.
You saved the boat. James saved you.
I'm going on top to make sure nothing's going to fly off. Who saw the storm coming?
I don't know.
I did.
Gary did.
Hey, Gary.
Tell me what happened. I did.
Watch out.
Put heavy
Go.
stuff on top.
I want to check this out.
Cool.
Look at this. I know. As you can see, you cannot see the sky. Where I'm looking at right there, you would be seeing mountains. All of it is sand. I need to plug this thing in. My thing's gonna die. Is there a plug up here, Grandma?
Walk up there.
Is there a plug up here?
Walk slowly.
Oh shit. See, they're trying to struggle.
Sandstorms are gonna pass anyways.
I need a plug in.
There are times sandstorms lasted hours.
No way.
Yeah. Days.
For days? Jesus Christ. I want to go on the sea view. Yes, I'm recording. James, tell us what's going on.
Yeah. Approximately 8:15.
Ouch. 8:15.
Something in the apartment complex is broken loose. We don't know what it is, but it's gonna kill us.
James, stay up here with me. Ow, my eyes. We can't see shit. Jesus Christ. See, as everyone's cleaned off the beach. Ow! Dude! Holy shit! It's against. Where do you want me to go?
What?
Where do you want me to go?